Viewers, in a big breaking news, Andhra Pradesh's Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan will reach the Tirupati site where the stampede happened and visit the hospital where the injured are undergoing treatment at around 3 p.m. today. At least 6 people have lost their lives in the stampede, while investigation is underway into potential lapses during the ticketing at the counters. In fact, Andhra Pradesh's Chief Minister is also set to visit Tirupati, the site of the stampede, at 3 p.m. along with Deputy Chief Minister Arun Kalyan. Now remember, there are about 90 counters for ticketing, but because most of those were shut yesterday, despite orders being in place that all of them are supposed to be open to give way to 15,000 pilgrims that visit the temple site every day. At least 6 people have been killed in the stampede, visuals of which are on your screens right now, which could only be controlled after heavy police deployment and intervention. 40 people are injured and have been sent to the hospital. Also being joined by my colleague Abhishek live from the site of the accident, the site of the stampede in Tirupati. We're being joined by Abhishek. Abhishek, tell us more. The Deputy Chief Minister has also rung a bugle saying that he will be visiting the site along with the Chief Minister at 3 p.m. today. Tell us more about this. He's in fact also slated to pay a visit to the 40 people who've been injured and now sent to the hospitals. Abhishek, tell us more.
So not in the history of Tirumala or Tirupati, this type of incident had previously occurred, and probably this might get into the books of history of Tirumala and Tirupati because 6 people were killed in a stampede, which was not their fault. The government and the police department lapses are to be found at this junction. So I am 100 meters away from where the stampede happened yesterday. I request my cameraman Raghavendra to show the queue management system which have been placed here, which have been brought up after the incident has occurred. Just 100 meters around this place was the park where the stampede occurred. 6 people, 6 men, 6 devotees had to breathe their last due to the negligence of the government and the police department, which they found yesterday. The tickets were supposed to be given out at 5 a.m. in the morning today, but the ticket issue started at 9 p.m. Yesterday night. So the confusion between this led to the commotion between people, and everyone tried to jump out from the park or the ground where they were located at. And this started a commotion, and the people had to fall over and over, and this caused the incident. So coming to another point, CM Chandrababu Naidu will be in Tirupati at 12 p.m. He'll be in Tirupati for 12 to 3. In between 12 and 3, he'll be here for 3 hours visiting the survivors of this accident. 41 people have been injured. Their families are at the hospital, and 6 people have been killed in this incident. Probably the government would announce a mere sum to the bereaved family, and 41 injured people's expenses might be taken care by the government, what being expected as of now. So along with that, Deputy CM Pawan Kalyan is expected to arrive here and the other ground where the stampede happened. This point of time, there is another update saying that the ticket issue has been stopped. The coupons have been stopped as of now. We have seen police personnel claiming and expressing that the tickets issue have been stopped as of now, and the issue will restart on the 12th evening or 12th midnight at 2 a.m. The people probably will get into the crowd by 5 p.m. and this time the police have made arrangements so that no stampede occurs, and they have to follow the orders given by the CM Chandrababu Naidu. Another update is the counters, which were 94, might be increased, and another temporary counters, another 10 to 15 temporary counters might be set up so that the people will not have to rush at one place. They will have various other places to do so. Also, there might be a chance from the TTD letting out the WhatsApp tickets or the online tickets. We'll have to see what Chandrababu Naidu says after he visits the hospital and the spot. We will have to question him if they are going to go ahead with the technology, or will the people of his state have to follow the same queue system? we are waiting for much updates from either Pawan Kalyan or Chandrababu Naidu with respect to what might happen with the ticketing system, and there is no update from TTD as of now with respect to the ticketing system which they might have to follow in the upcoming days. Kesu.
Right, Abhishek. In fact, I also want to ask you, what are the provisions that are being set in place by the side of the state government to take care of the lapses, not just in terms of security and increasing the counters, but also in terms of the people who've already been injured? The number is far above 40. That's huge. And 6 people have been killed. Are there any statements from the side of the state authorities, the government, over what are the aid that they will be providing to these 6 people who've been killed and other over 40 people who've been injured? Abhishek.
Gesu, probably the government might announce a sum of either 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs to the deceased family. This is one thing for sure. The government would own their debts and they would say, sorry, we couldn't do anything better. We hope at least this amount or this fund will help your family in either any way. There might also be an option to state that the 41 people who are injured, their expenses will be taken care of by the family, and their expenses will be taken care of by the government, and no other financial assistance or any other type of assistance is expected as of now. The families of the deceased persons and injured persons are requesting the government so that, the request is that this type of incident should not happen again and no family should suffer these kind of losses. At this junction, I'd also like to mention that the police have gone a step ahead, but to control the mob, the number of police around the place which incident happened have strategically increased. But at this point of time, what is the point of increasing the number of police is the question of the localites here who witnessed the accident yesterday. The paramilitary force had to be deployed yesterday when the crowd was outnumbered. There were no signs of paramilitary nor the police involvement in this safety precautionary element. So basically, if we speak about this hour, there might be some changes after the CM or the DCM and the health minister visit this spot and see if they can do something better and increase the number of counters so that people will not have to wait at the counters to get a Vaikunta Darshan ticket.
Yes. Right, Abhishek, thanks very much for joining us. We'll keep tracking the story. In fact, a very important point there, that all the 40 plus people who've been injured, their treatment will be taken care of by the state government. All eyes will be fixated at the 3 p.m. arrival of the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and the Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan. Thanks for now, Abhishek. We'll keep tracking the story. Viewers, and now it's time to get you a quick check of news from across Bharat in just 2 minutes. Take a look. As part of joint operation, security forces arrested an overground worker along with a huge cache of arms and ammunition in southern Kashmir's Kulgam district. Joint team of security forces in Kulgam intercepted a person during a mobile vehicle check post being carried out at the National Highway 44 at Thokerpura in the Kulgam district.